Well, good afternoon all, and welcome back to my channel where I tell you the truth about a car that I've driven, that I own, and not that I'm paid to drive and tell you what they want you to hear. Anyway, I put a video on about 2 weeks ago saying I was getting rid of my Lotus S2 52 plate, and the only reason I got rid of it was after a service. Thought I'm going to have an upgrade, and We Buy Any Car gave me a terrific price, which is more than I paid for it, because second-hand car market at the moment is pretty damn good. So I thought I'd move on. I wanted to do an upgrade, and I was looking for a 111S. The 111S is holding money really well at the minute, so I wasn't going to spend that much money. But however, I've managed to get myself a good 08 plate S2 S Tourer. And ignore the number plate I was pointing out the other day. Snob. How funny is that? Yeah, I didn't even notice it. One of my mates pointed out. Anyway, so I've managed to get hold of one of these. It's really good condition. It's only done 38,000 miles, full Lotus history. Lady owner actually for the last 7 years, so actually really good. And I've had it for 2 days, really enjoying it, and it's definitely a good upgrade. With this one, instead of the K type or K series engine, which is prone for head gaskets, this has got the Toyota 16 valve VVTi engine, which I find to be a lot more reliable. Not a car, how can I say more reliable? I've had it 2 days, which I find to be more responsive is the word, I suppose. It's a damn sight more responsive, seems to react a lot better when you accelerate, and just seems to just sound a lot better as well. The car's had aluminium radiator upgrade, and temperature seems to stick really well, which is really good. And the interior itself seems to be a lot better. The interior, to show you quickly, you got start button there, so you just turn the ignition on, start button. I just find the dash is a little bit more attractive, the steering wheel is a little bit more attractive. You get airbags, and the dash alone it just seems more attractive. Seats sort of the same as previously. Gear section here is a little bit different. Got traction control, and you've got this really funny little cup holder here, which is really funny. Central locking, electric windows. It's just a few little upgrades which make me feel better about the car. Anyway, what I'm going to do is we're going to get it out for a drive, just a quick drive to give you a quick review from the drive. And what I want to do is, as I do normally on my videos, I'm going to do another review, say in about 3 months time, just tell you guys how I'm getting on with it and how much I like it. But early signs are really good. It's just smoother, it sounds better. It just the interior just seems more refined than previously. So I'm going to get out on the road now, and it'll be a really quick session on the road, just to show you what it's like. And then I'm going to do another video again in a couple of months. Join me on the road. So now we've got the Elise S2 Sport out on the road. I'm going to just do a bit of my favourite road just to show you. But overall, this car responds so much better. You can hear the tone in the exhaust as well. It just sounds lovely. But this car, compared to my old model, the 52 by 2002, that the K series engine in. Obviously, this has got the Toyota engine in. But this car is just such a different car. Servo-driven brakes, so I can actually stop better. You know, the other brakes were good in the other car because you had to really work for it. You know, that was a car that you had to drive and work for as well. You know, that was a racing car. This is a racing car, but you can actually have a bit more fun in it, and it's a little bit safer. We've got traction control, we've got all the bits and pieces in this that you need. But you know, this car's response for a little 1.8 engine is fantastic. You know, and it's like driving a go-kart, which is really fun. You know, and just love it. I mean, it's 2008 against the 2002, but it's really good. Really enjoying it. Okay, so I hope that's given you a bit of a feel. Just a quick drive today, because it looks like the heavens are going to open, and I've just cleaned it extensively. So thanks for watching my channel. Any questions about the car, any questions about any of my cars or any of my videos, ask in the comments section. Share my videos, subscribe, and like. Let's get it out there, and you know, get people, you know, as I've said in all my videos, I'm not paid to give you this review. It's my car. I don't have to give the review saying it's all brilliant. I can give the review as and how I see it. Anyway, thanks for joining, guys. Have a good afternoon. Goodbye.